Hello everyone, so now I would like to show you how to import sound for your video through Capcut application. So after you have everything on your project, and last thing you want to have is importing some sound to your video. Now the things that you have to do is just click the sounds button, and then now you can choose which sounds you want to have. If you want to have love songs, just click which songs that you want to have. Let me try randomly, and then after the plus button is already appear here, click the plus, and now you can adjusting the length of the music, the sound. Just make it the same to the videos, and now your videos already have a sound. Okay, now let's have a test. And now it's done. Thank you for watching.